Is this good? All right, I think this is good. Dude, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Seriously, I have to ask you, like, what the fuck are you doing? You're so close to your goal, but when it's literally time to get this shit going, you're ducking the smoke. You're ducking the heat. When you're supposed to be doing the most work is when you're the least closest, bro. But when you have everything aligned and it's lined up, you can't take your foot off the gas. You have to keep going in that time. It's literally impossible. Once you take off your foot when you're about to cross the line, you lose automatically. It doesn't even matter how close you are to finishing it. You're gonna lose automatically. So that ass, bro, you were so close. Like you were so close, but the fact that you still have that mindset in your mind, dude. You know how long it takes to get 100K funded? It takes people months, G. It takes people months, and you did that shit in a month. Phase one and two. Phase one took a week. Phase one took a week and a half of market open. Phase two took longer, but it was because you had that losses and drawdown and shit. But dude, stop fucking around. You managed to lose the account on the last week. You were gonna get paid next week, dog. All you did was run and chase after that shit. That's not how it works, D. Like, no, bro. When you're the closest, if that shit was in drawdown, you were not supposed to rush that. And you know that, dude. It's trading. The fact that you feel like the market owes you something, the point when you feel like the market owes you something and that you need to get this certain money that you think you deserve inside the market, literally that's when you fuck up. That's when your shit goes to shit, bro. That's when you can't even do nothing. That's when the market owns you, bro, because you're psychological. You want something, but that's not how the market works. The market gives you the opportunity. You take what's there. You don't get what's there for you. Yeah? Yeah, bro. Like, that's all I gotta say to you. And your fucking live account, G. Patience. Build that shit slowly. It's gonna take time, but it's gonna take time, G. Understand that part. It's gonna take time. You're not done with the game. You're still not done. You have 1,000 in your live account, down 600 last night. Your funded account, gone, bro. That shit gone. Can't do nothing about it. Oh fuck, my bus is here. Wrap it up though, G. Wrap it up. I swear to God, you're so close. You're almost done with this shit, yeah? You're almost done with this shit, G. Yeah. What up? What's up, man? I hope you're doing well. I want to add part two, bro. I want to make a part two, but currently I'm in a live trade. Gold buys. This shit is at 4,115. Happy, bro. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's like stuff like this. When you're patient and you see the move coming on and you don't try to jump on it, you just calm your nervous system, first of all. When you calm your nervous system, you can breathe in, breathe out. Don't even think twice about it. Look at this shit running right now. We're at 500. I'm back, break even from yesterday. Like literally from this morning, the video I made. I'm break even from the morning video that I made, and I'm gonna have to add that to part one. But I believe in you, like brother. If no one believes in you, know that I'm here for you. Even if I don't post this video, understand that I'm here for you. I'm gonna do everything I can. I got you. I'm gonna do everything I can to put you in the situations of the life that you want. Like, I'm gonna put my neck out for you, G. I know you're not. I'm not trying to get in all that, but I'm not trying to get emotional. Your boy's not trying to get emotional, but your account's back at 500, 4,500, 4,500, 4,500. But bro, that's all I gotta tell you right now. Like, as I've got this energy of winning, like as this shit is running through me, all I gotta say is believe in yourself. There's no reason why you should not believe in yourself to do anything in this world. Zero. Zero. You can't give me a reason of why you can't believe in yourself. It's you. It's your world. You can't feel the other niggas' emotions. You can feel your emotions. So why would you deny yourself the fact that you have these feelings of achieving these dreams of getting this and getting that, but you're okay with living a mediocre life. That doesn't sit well with me. So that's why like I'm doing my part in my life because I'm trying to change that, bro. Even if this shit becomes, I'm remaking this video after the first time, but dude, I'm gonna try to recap everything in like 2-3 minutes just so I could get the message across. But that was like decent 7 minute, decent 7 minute. But long story short, I want you to be happy and I want you to take the risks that you need to take to get the life that you want. And when you're taking those risks, I'm there for you. I'm gonna support you 100%. I'm that literally, bro. I'm you. That's what I'm there for. I'm watching a trade right now. Let's see. But bro, this shit is retracing, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. We got some ways to go. We got some ways. We got like 40. I want to say. We gotta get swept out 0.16 at least 168, which is 38, 138, 140 range. I think we're gonna tap it, but yeah, man. As I'm saying, take those risks. Go for it. Fuck it, bro. Go for it. This is your life. Like you want to make something out of it. So why would you not want to go all out? You only get one. You only get one. So take that risk, G, and I'm there to support you all the way. You got this, man. You got this. Don't. Allah has you, bro. Trust in Allah. Make your belief so greater than your doubt. Make your belief greater than your doubt. That's all I'm trying to say. And believe in God that He can get you out of any situation, no matter what that is. You got it, G. Got your 500 back. So on top of that, bro. But yeah, man. I got all this energy running through me and shit, but all I have to say is breathe in, breathe out. Take time. Take time with your shit. Take time with your craft. You're gonna get it. It's not gonna be one time though. It's not gonna be all at once. Take time with your craft and believe that this shit is for you and believe that this shit is possible for you. I salute you, G. I'm gonna leave you at that. Look, check this out. Let me show them what's this shit. Y'all niggas gonna watch this. I got no stop loss. This shit was all rushed entry, yo. This shit was all rushed entry. Got that one at 89 and I got that one at 96. What if I got that one at 96, E2? See, fuck that, all that. Could have been, should have been, would have been, could have been. Could have been, would have been, should have been, would have. This nigga could have broke out. This nigga was about to break out. Could have been, yo, this nigga's breaking out. Bullshit. Bullshit. But yeah, G, this is basically what trading is. Sitting in patience like this. But once you're in a trade, just let that bitch ride out. Ride out the beat. Hey Siri, play Ride the Beat by Chief Keef on YouTube Music.
There are no results for that in Apple Music. It sounds like talking to someone might help. There are organizations that can provide support at apple.com/here to help.
What the fuck? Alright, man, I'm gonna cut this video short. She's retracing hard. Holy shit. Damn! Yo, welcome to part 3 of the freaking vlog. I think it's a vlog right now. I think I could call this shit a vlog. But yeah, man, welcome to part 3 and conclusion of what happened with the trade. Trade finished yesterday. Like my TP hit right before I got on the bus. Crazy. But yeah, I was running through that. But I don't want to say a thing, but if I took in the other bus, I would have made the little clip that I'm thinking of. It would have been a nice, perfect setting. Or I would have been recording part 3 of this video. But now I'm going to just put it all together and I'm going to show you exactly what was going through my mind as I was taking part of this trade. And exactly the freaking losses I talked about in part 1 of yesterday's morning. Where I messed up, where I could have improved, what happened to the funded account, what happened to the live account, and that type of shit. But Let's get started. Yo, what's up, man? So this is a little recap of the trade that we had yesterday, bro. Shout out ICC Mafia type shit, nigga. Nah, bro, be tapped in on them niggas. Here. It's just a fucking industry, bro. If you're not tapped in left or right, like, ain't no reason to be in that bitch. But yeah, man, let me show you exactly what triggered this whole trade right here. Don't want to say this and that, but I'm happy where I caught it. And I'm happy where it went, and I'm happy and I'm glad. Oh, I gotta admit, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna start the video from right here as I draw this line. I'm drawing this line, I'm drawing this line, I'm drawing this line. I just drew a line. Start. Yo, what's up, man? Welcome to the actual footage of the market and what is going on. Not what is going on. Okay, I'm gonna restart again. I'm gonna draw another line on top of this one. Yo, what's up, man? Nope, I'm not starting like that. I'm drawing another line on top of this. Third line. This one's gonna be a little. Yep. Welcome to the actual market recap of the trade that I was expecting and how it played out. So this was the buys that came into the market after these sells were basically rejected. And I'm not gonna sit here and explain this. Trades by size are really good at explaining shit. So if you don't want to watch two creators at the same time, bro, go do your shit. Not even all that, but that nigga's really good at explaining the fucking market in general. But go tap in with him, man. Go show some love and shit. But yeah, my nigga explained why this shit rejected right here. He has a better answer to this. Me, it was just I was in cells. I was in cells from 17 all the way here, bro. I was holding cells since 140. Holy shit, it was 140 right here, bro. Right here, nigga. Holding cells since 140. And then I was holding cells from these highs. And then took TP at 4,000. Right around here, bro. Took TP and then did not enter anything here. Re-entered after we had this bullish movement. But it was totally towards the wrong move. Even though this trend is still valid in here, bro. Like, this shit was still valid. It got broken out. But stubborn me. Oh, stubborn me. I thought this shit was still valid, bro. I thought this shit was valid. So Monday, 4 a.m. when we had this and we had the rejection on Monday, I entered sells on a lower time frame. Let's get rid of this shit. So I did enter. This is yesterday's market recap. Am I recapping yesterday's market? No, because y'all niggas need it, bro. I need it, but y'all niggas need it more. But shit, yeah, we had a 5 a.m. and then we had this big move upwards, which grabbed liquidity, as I thought it did, at 6:30. And then when market opened, we came in, as literally price pulled in, this retest right here, entered, sells, been in sales since 8:30. I mean 8, almost 9. And then boom, stayed in here, price came back. I had my stops right around like 21-ish. At first I had it around 21-ish. And then market, boom, did this shit. And then all this is just rejecting. And then 6, 7, market open. This bitch ran, bro. I was like, what the fuck? And then I moved my stops all the way up to 38 right here. Up above these highs. And then that's when my shit got tapped, liquidated. Whole account was down about 900 some. And then y'all can see it right here, bro. Y'all can see it right here. Y'all can see it on the minute chart right here. Right here, 9. I wish we could actually put. Oh shit. Oh, these are the little niggas I was setting up to get in. The little nigga. Alright, we sold 0.1. So these are the little points that I was playing with at first. Should be right here, bro. These little niggas. These little niggas. Right here, man. Right here, man. Right here. And and then I took that 17, so I'm confusing. Oh, this was the fucking Russian. I did this. Oh, 10 is when I entered the fucking cells. Okay, 10 is when I entered this. I didn't, bro, see, I'm fucking tweaked. But 10, I entered the cells, and I was holding this bitch as it rejected. Literally, as this shit came up above this range right here, cells, and this shit just kept on ranging, and then 7, as I said, when the price came up, and I should have just left my stops at 21, bro. I should have just left it here and knew that once this shit got broken, it meant price was never gonna come back. But I put my stops right about 38 right here, and then price came in. I was like, damn, we almost got stopped. I would have so much, bro. Looking at this price action on this side, I just had so much hope. It's like, damn, okay, this thing is cooking. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're back. I think I was down like 100 right here, but I said, nah. Marcus said, nah, watch this, nigga. Boom, 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 boom. You're still in it? Stupid. Boom, boom. You're still in it? Retard. Boom. Shit liquidated me. Look, it was meant for that liquidation. Because why? There's a lot of orders resting right over here, bro. There's a lot of orders. There's a lot of stop losses waiting right above this 30. Because why? 21 was a zone, and this shit got slowly liquidated, and markets know that there's a lot of orders right here. So this what does it do? Look at this candle. Look, it bitch jumped. Damn near, bro. No wick, no nothing. Jumped. Boom, boom. Liquidated. I almost shed a tear. A little bit. And then this shit retraced. And then, bro, here's me. After I get liquidated, I just don't stop. It's just something I gotta stop. I gotta quit that habit. Just letting it go. Just letting that shit go. But then I couldn't, bro. Even though I was down 219, 216 after taking that loss. Because that shit was stretched. It should have been 100. 100 both. 200 max. 400. What the fuck up with the fucking exposure? But stopped out and then re-entered right 0.137. I was up 100. I should have took it to cover these losses right here, but no, nigga. Shit makes a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. I guess stopped that. This time I had my shit right over here, bro. What's my stop loss at? No, it's at 46. My shit was at 46, like right here, bro. The market does the exact same thing, G. Like this one's got a little bit, but boom, I get liquidated. I'm like, F it, F it, F it. I'm done for the night. And then, literally, to stop myself from all that pain, all I had to have done is not entered here. Not entered here. Not entered here, and just let this shit play out. And just look at the price action on the 1 hour. Well, no, on the 8 hour, because we had this. On the 4 hour, it would have looked even better. We had this break of structure in here. If I would have just been simple like that, yeah? If I would have just been simple like that. What do we see? See price Sunday market open. Comes in sweeps 0.68. Sweeps! And then, literally, brother, literally after this shit swept, I was in cells. I was just in cells right here. You could, some BS. I should have just seen it as that. Got out of my cells. Got out of my cells here. Because it would have been more sense. Look, mark lower low. Lower high. Higher low. Lower high. Higher low. Lower high. Higher low. Lower high. Higher low. Lower high. High or low? 6. So what is the price gonna do? Price gonna retrace 0.68, which was around 50, with market 8 a.m. Market volume. Volume kicked in from 60, kicked it all the way up. And from 2, literally, this is volume kicking it from here. This is 8 a.m. Price brings it at 0.68 and leaves it to volume to kick that bitch back up. Yeah. So long story short, my entry, let's go back to my entry, my freaking entry. Okay, here's my entry of the market. So market opened, boom, we had push to the upside and then push to the downside, making a lower high. Price liquidating. I was not paying attention to this, I'm not gonna lie. But as 7 hit, I knew that we were gonna start seeing opportunities because we were already at a high, bro. Entries by side already posted that he entered at 76, right at the freak right here. And I was like, okay, this nigga's already in. And market open. I knew I was not gonna. I did not want to miss this op, bro. I did not want to miss this opportunity, so I just said, all right, I'm gonna sit here in front of the desk and I'm gonna look for open trades and any chance of anything I can get. And so we see this consolidation after market, literally before market close and after market open. We just had this range, and once I had my eyes on top of this zone, once price closed above it, and literally I saw this wick. I'm not gonna lie to you, G. I saw this wick close above this whole range. I was watching it. I watched it close above and impulsively, 0.1 entered 89. And then let this bitch ride out. Especially after we close above that. What you mean, gang? What you mean, gang? Close above that, G? What you mean, gang? Right here. What you mean? Look how we closed. And I was like, yep. See how we closed, and then we closed at 92. It's like, I might have to get me another one. Wait for volume to take us up. And then once price reached 96, it closed. We had this rejection. Price pulled in, and then price pulled itself up, creating that lower high. And so I knew this shit was in good trend. This, like, yeah, but no. We have volume. 7, we have volume. And waited for that. Price rejected as it was going up. Entered. Was in a little bit of drawdown right here, but said F it. Pulled up. Boom. Price ran. 21. And that was when I was making that video last night and had my TP at 40, which, as I explained it to you guys, was 618. And how did I find that? You might be asking. How? How did you find that? All right. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you exactly how I found my TP. We had price break above this. Price broke above this range, as we said, but this was 6:30 p.m. Grab your fib, G. Grab your fib, reverse that joint. Yeah, what do we see? Price retraced, sweeping 0.38. 0.382 got swept. And then, according to my fib map, I got a fib map, G. According to my fib map, we got a 0.38, 1618, and beyond. I was not gonna look for beyond the G. 1.168, 1.618. I keep saying 1.16, but I had my TP at 138, 140, literally right above that, right above, so that the shit sweeps, and that shit did that. It swept. So no volume to kick this bitch in. So what happens? She just stays. And I was not expecting volume after 10. The shit was 10. Yeah. And that's it. Simple. First zone right here. From break to the retest. Second, which would have been here. And on second, we swept at 0.38. Reaching out to 1.68. And that's what, man. That's it. That's it, literally. That's it. That's all I want to say. I hope you're happy. This is a journey. It's gonna take time. It's gonna go slow. It's gonna go fast. It's gonna go slow. It's gonna go fast. It's gonna go even faster. It's gonna go even faster. But you don't contradict that. What you have is your skills, and you operate in a market that's there to fucking take your money and make you poor as fuck. So fuck that. We don't want that. We're gonna improve every day on a timely basis. Without getting too much, that's all I want to say, man. Hope you're sticking in there. Believe in you. Stay in there. Ciao.